Welcome to 22328 West Woodlands Avenue in beautiful Buckeye, Arizona. Step inside and you'll see. Experience this spacious living room featuring brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring, fresh paint, and bright, airy spaces perfect for family gatherings and entertaining. The heart of the home, a stunning modern kitchen with quartz countertops, gray cabinetry, and a stainless steel appliance package ready for your culinary creations. Upstairs, discover the split master floor plan with a luxurious master suite and two additional bedrooms, plus a huge loft ideal for movie nights or a home office or just hanging out and having fun. In the primary master bathroom, step into your private retreat. Dual sinks, upgraded countertops, hardware, lighting. Step outside to your private backyard retreat, complete with a covered patio and no rear neighbors. Enjoy the Arizona sunsets in peace. Create your perfect space in this big, beautiful backyard. This home is move-in ready and waiting for you. Call Leah Gavin at 623-850-5398 to schedule your private tour today. Hurry, this one won't last long. Ask me also about our zero down purchase plans.